Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sure you're looking at me and you're probably wondering why I have pink hair. Well, I went through a hair nightmare recently, which is one of the reasons why I haven't had a video. So, a few months ago, I actually dyed my hair with an all-natural vegan brown hair color, and I wanted to bleach it for the summertime, so I bleached it, and guess what? My hair turned teal. So yes, I had teal all throughout my hair. It was horrible.
It's funny because mine turned blonde, see?
So yeah, I had teal hair. So then I tried a hair stripper, that didn't work. I tried a red hair dye. The red hair dye actually took over my whole head and it made me look like Ronald McDonald.
It's actually a pigmented conditioner, so it wasn't actually a hair dye.
Yeah, so then I bleached over top of that because it was just too red. So then it turned to this lovely pink color, which I could actually live with having pink hair. So I actually kind of like it. It's got some pink and purple. You can actually see the purple in it from where the teal was. So it actually looks nice.
Okay, Rainbow Bright, let's get to the video here.
Alright, so today I have the all new Soli baby wrap. So we're going to go ahead and do a demo with little Callie. Hi, I'm gonna do the demo. So she's here with me today and we're gonna go ahead and test it out. So first I'm gonna show you how not to use it. So this is what you don't want to do. Oh my god, I'm like trapped in here. I let my husband try it on me. This is what happened. I got wrapped up and I can't even see anything. So he put the baby down there. This is definitely not what to do. Basically you trapped yourself. So I'm going to show you the right way now. So right on this wrap, you just hold it right in the middle. And you'll know where the dead center is when you see this little tag here. So you just want to have that tag facing towards your body. You're going to bring it around just like that, okay? Cross it around your back. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to do a crisscross right there.
Crisscross helps us.
And then we're going to bring it up over the shoulders on each side. And the fabric is very long, so it might take you some time to get used to doing this wrap. But once you get the hang of it, it won't be a problem. So now we got these two things over our shoulders and we're going to go ahead and tuck it in like that. Okay. So then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to cross around the front just like you did in the back with the X right there.
Oh, you're an X-Men. You look like the Phoenix.
And you might want, so you're going to have a lot of extra fabric over here, so you can just tie it like this. So you just want it nice and snug. And I mean, you could also tie it in a regular knot. Just for the video demo, I would recommend doing a double knot, so that way it's nice and safe. So we'll go ahead, we'll do a double knot right there. So you're just going to kind of fix it over your shoulders before you bring the baby in. And you could make it looser down here so it could go lower for your baby if you want. So now to put the baby in. So here we go with little Miss Callie. We're going to go ahead and stick her in the wrap. So first thing we're going to do is just stick her. Actually, we're going to go ahead and do this. You have to bring her through the X on the front. Okay, so this will keep her nice and snug in place. And you want to make sure that you don't suffocate your baby too. So you just want to be very careful while you do this.
Okay, what if you got big boobs?
You could make it looser. It's adjustable.
Okay.
Yeah, so someone like me is probably going to have a lot of leftover fabric, but it's made for all sizes. So we're going to go ahead Got her little head right there. And fix her little bow. It's coming out.
Okay, talk about bow. Can you do tie bow and exercise and all that with her in there?
I don't know, but
That's
it's
secure?
It's pretty secure. So once you're done with the X's and you got your baby fully secure in there, just make sure she's crossed over on both sides. You go ahead and bring this up, and even if you want to tuck in her head, you could do that. So there she is.
Good.
So it's easy to walk around with. It's very nice. The fabric's very soft. But I never had one of these with my daughter, but I kind of wish I did because it's very nice, this wrap. So if you ever want to take your babies out in public, this is the wrap to do it with. So I will put the link down in the video description, and make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you next time. Bye! Bye-bye!
Like, pop that tit out. Feed me.